Hello, I want to show you this two-stage bird stroke squirrel feeder I made over 20 years ago. I'll show you, see, that's what it looks like all the way round. I'll take the top off. What you've got inside are these little rods. And so what you do, you fill this compartment up with nuts, and what the squirrels or the birds have got to do, they've got to work out, pull out the right rods. See, some of these rods are connected and some aren't. And if they pull the right rods, like you can see these ones here, ones I'm moving now, then they'll fall down into the second compartment you see below. Then they've got to work out which of these are if they turn this one, or they've got to turn this one. And if they turn this one like that, then you see this goes out. You see it goes in and out. And then all the nuts, so if they turn it this way, all the nuts, and then turn this a bit here, and they can't get to the nuts, you see. But if they turn this one here, see, and then all the nuts will fall into this compartment here where they can get to them. There's a two-stage feeder I've made here. So they've got to be quite clever. You can see the hole there. You can see the hole opening and closing there. Maybe you can just about see the hole open and closing there. Well, that's it. But I'll just quickly show you that. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.